Go.
Hello!
Hello, Mr. Eric, Mr. Ryan, are you right?
Yeah!
Okay, that's good.
Hi,
Loud and
kids.
clear. Okay, hi kids. I'm gonna erase this bit. So let's see. We're given a string.
Made one smiley face.
We are given a string with only A and B. We want to find out if all A's are before all B's. All A's are before B's. Okay, we are given a string only containing the string A and B's. Okay, let's give a few examples. A, B, B, true. A, B, A, false. A, B, B, A, false. Empty string, true. B, B, true. A, A, true. Only containing the A's or B's, true. Okay. And then also A, B, A, B, B, false. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. So any idea how we're doing this? Any idea how we're doing this? Do you understand what's the problem now? Yeah. So let's. What's this? Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at these three cases, the invalid cases, okay? What's the common thing about those?
They have B. The first ones have BA.
Wow, well done, okay, BAs. So we can just check if the string has the BAs, right?
Yeah.
And if it has the BA, we return false, otherwise there will be all valid cases, right? Okay, let's do it. Come on, can you go back to seat, please? Okay, that's very good observation, okay? That's a very good observation.
Observation.
Yeah, because we are finding if we are checking if all A's are before B's. And if it's not valid, then there must be a VA, right? That's very obvious. So we think reversely. Yeah? We think in the opposite way. Okay, so if this function, okay, I need to get a new pen. Where's the new pen? Can I have this, please? Oh, thank you.
Hey, that wetness made it.
Okay.
Go down. Oh.
Okay, define,
Okay.
check, string.
Found it.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, and it's too noisy, library. Okay, then we can just say return BA not in S, right? Okay? Simple, easy. What's the time complexity? If there are N strings, yeah? Alright, yeah? Yeah? Okay, so in this case it's ON, but normally there are different ways of implementing checking a substring, string contains substring. Look, if we are looking for a string with n characters, and the pattern, yeah, the pattern, the substring we are going to check is pattern is n characters, yeah. The naive way, brute force way is we checking each position, right? Look, this is a string like hello, Eric, okay? Yeah, this is a string, right? If this is n characters, right? And we are looking for Eric. Ryan, what did Teddy say? Come on. If we are looking for Eric, so how would you do it? If this string S contains Eric, how would you do it?
We would.
How we implement it?
It doesn't contain A or B.
Yeah, I'm just checking. I'm just thinking. Yeah, if this string is hello Eric, we want to find out if this string contains Eric.
Sliding window.
Oh yeah, sliding window. So first of all we checking this hello H. Is this the same with Eric? No. Then I go from next one. Okay? Then E. Okay, it's the same if it's case insensitive. And what's next? R doesn't match. So I do rewind it and then try next one. And so okay, E the same, R the same, I the same, C the same. Okay, we match because we found it. This is the brute force way. The time complexity, if this is n character, this is m character, the time complexity will be O(n) times m, right?
O(n) times n.
This is very slow, O(n) times m. So in this case, if it's going for brute force, 2, because there are 2 here, 2 character and n string, there will be O(n). O times n times 2, okay, we drop the constant. There's a better algorithm called the KMP, which builds a table in O(n) time, and then the time spending on searching the substring is on, but it takes on time to build a table. Yeah, because every time we look, h is not equal to e. There is no point when you scan that. There is no point to go to the e. It knows that. It knows what. It knows because the second parameter, second character e is not equal to r. It already knows that it's not equal, so that we can skip. We can advance to the next one.
But Eric has a capital E and the hello E only has a lowercase.
Yeah, that's a good point. And I was just saying that case insensitive. Okay, so but in this case, PA, okay, checking a string has a substring is O n time. We can think it's O n time, linear time. Okay, good point. Okay, so let's go back to the problem with A and B only. Okay, so if we can go through another way of checking, which is what? Look, if A, B, if we group the same letters, right? So like that, A, B, 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 or B, B, A, B, B, A. Okay, so we group the same letters. Come on, we group the same letters. So remember, we have a function called itertools.groupby. If we use this function, remember, equal to group by, you only need to stop and let you finish. If we use the itertools group by, so that will tell me a dictionary with the keys is the same for each. Okay, so look, let's use this group by. So what does it return? It returns a dictionary saying A is to A. This is the iterator, okay, to A list of iterator, A. And B to B, and A to AA. Okay, so group by, and you tell me this, and B to B. Okay, and for this one, you tell me B to B. Okay, 3 B's group, and A to AAA. And for this one, you tell me A to AAA, right? And B to BBB. Okay, so based on this. Based on the results obtained from group by, how can we check if it's all A's before B's?
If you see if a B is higher than an A, then it's false.
Okay. And how about the number of groups? If there are more than 2, what should we do? If there are 2 groups, if there are 1 group, is it valid?
Yeah.
If it's 1 group, that could be just A or B.
Yeah.
Right? If it's 2 groups, how many possibilities?
It could be AB or BA.
We're done. And if there are 3 groups, do we need to check?
No.
That's right, because it can't. If there are 3 groups, then B must be before A, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, that's a very good observation. So we can do this.
It could be AAB.
That's still 2 groups, because in that case that would be A B, right? It groups the continuum, yeah. Yeah. Does it make sense now?
Yeah.
Okay, so you tell me, okay? So we can just do this. Define check string, and then we can, okay, if they're empty, let's say if it's empty, then we just return true, right? This is the special case. And then the group, let's say L equals this iter2, okay? Let's say we want to we just want to get the group, okay? So let's do this. List I, right? List I. Do we need to do this side? No. Because we can just do this. I for ij in iter2.
Itertools.groupby by S.
Group by S.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So the I would be the keys. Yeah. Then look, if length L equals 1, okay, then we return what? If there's only 1 group, return
True.
okay. If length the group bigger than 3, bigger or equal than 3,
Bigger than 4.
2, bigger than 2, then return.
Bigger than.
If there are more than 2 groups, what happens?
Then it's false.
False. Yeah, we talk about that. Because it could be A B A, something like that, or B A B. Yeah. In both cases, there's BA here, right? Otherwise, now we have only two groups. So if it's two groups, what do we need to check? If it's two groups, return. We need to check what? L0 equals what? We just need to check L0 equals what?
L0 equals
Which one? Which one are we talking about?
A.
Okay, so L0 equals A. Yeah? Yeah? Or if you can, because we only have two characters, A and B. So L0 equals A and L1 equals B, yeah? But we don't need to do that. We don't need, we just can check one condition, right? Because there are only two characters. If you check one, and the second one will be different. Right? So L0 equals A. That's the group by. Okay, that's the beauty of group by. Because it automatically make groups the consecutive same letters into same one group. The keys will be the letter, the group, yeah, and then the values will be how many, yeah, will be the actual group content. Yeah, let us review this AABB. So what if we use this group by? What does it return? The keys will be the group, yeah. The values will be iterated to A, B. Make sense? Yeah? Make sense? Yeah? That's the group by, okay? Yeah, and the content list is still ON, right? Because we need to go through the itertools in the ON linear term, right? And we're checking. And this is the traditional way. What's the quickest way? What's the first approach?
Is checking if they're BAs.
Return BA not in S. Which one is big? Which method you prefer?
That one.
Obviously, yeah. It's faster. Well, it may be not. Yeah, it's shorter. Okay, and practically faster. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.